The silent pain men don't talk about. There is a part of divorce that most men never talk about. It is not the legal process. It is what happens internally, in silence. Because many men go through this experience without expressing what they truly feel. They continue working. They continue showing up. They continue moving through life as if everything is normal. But internally, something is not the same. There may be pressure. There may be frustration. There may be thoughts that keep repeating. And yet, nothing is said. Because from a young age, many men are taught one thing: handle it, stay strong, do not show weakness. But what is often misunderstood is this: suppressing emotions is not strength, it is avoidance. And over time, avoidance creates pressure. That pressure builds slowly. It does not always appear all at once. It shows up in different ways: irritation, lack of focus, low motivation, disconnection from people, and sometimes a complete loss of interest in things that once mattered. This is the silent struggle many men face after divorce. They are carrying emotional weight without processing it. And the problem is not that they are feeling something, the problem is that they are not addressing it. Because emotions do not disappear when ignored. They remain. And they influence your behavior, your decisions, your mindset, your energy. And if left unaddressed, they begin to control you instead of you controlling them. This is where awareness becomes important. You need to recognize what you are carrying internally. You need to be honest with yourself, not for anyone else, but for your own clarity. Because the moment you become aware, you create space. Space between what you feel and how you respond. And that space gives you control. Control over your reactions, control over your decisions, control over your direction. This does not mean you need to express everything to everyone. It simply means you need to stop ignoring what is happening within you. You need to face it, understand it, and begin processing it in a healthy way. Because real strength is not about suppressing what you feel. It is about managing it. It is about understanding it. And it is about moving forward without being controlled by it. The men who rebuild successfully are not the ones who feel nothing. They are the ones who learn how to handle what they feel, with clarity, with discipline, and with intention. This is where your growth begins, not when everything feels easy, but when you stop avoiding what is difficult and start facing it directly. Key principles from this video: many men suppress emotions instead of processing them. Avoidance creates internal pressure. Unprocessed emotions affect behavior and decisions. Awareness creates control. Strength comes from understanding and managing emotions. Reflection. What emotions have you been ignoring since your separation? And how are they affecting your daily life? Action task. Write down one emotion you have been avoiding. Then, take a moment to understand where it comes from. Awareness is the first step toward control. End of day 3. The silent pain men don't talk about. Continue to day 4 to understand what divorce really does to a man's mind.